Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make DIY receipts. First, understand that creating your own receipts is a simple yet crucial task for any small business or individual needing to document transactions. It ensures you maintain accurate records for tax purposes and provides proof of purchase for your customers. We'll cover everything from essential information to different creation methods. Every receipt needs key information to be valid. Start with your business's full name, address, and contact details at the top. Assign a unique receipt number to each transaction, along with the exact date of purchase. Then, meticulously list each item sold, including its quantity, individual price, and the total for that specific item. This ensures clarity and accuracy. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation. For all your business reading, like reviewing invoices or financial statements, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After listing items, calculate the subtotal of all goods or services before tax. Next, add any sales tax, ensuring it's clearly itemized. The final grand total, encompassing everything, should be prominently displayed. Don't forget to specify the payment method, whether it was cash, credit card, or another form of payment. You might also include a brief return policy. You have several options for creating your DIY receipts. For a professional look, use word processing software to design a template you can print. For on-the-go transactions, a simple handwritten receipt book works perfectly. Alternatively, many free online receipt generators can quickly produce customized digital receipts, offering a balance of convenience and professionalism for your business needs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.